Hey everyone, welcome back to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chris, and today we're here at the 10th annual benefit car show at His Vineyard here in Greer, South Carolina. We're actually right down the street from Greer Dragway. We're here entered as number 147 amongst a lot of cars, so this is a pretty big show for us. We're parked right between two definite show cars. They're getting all polished up, so Edna's definitely making them look a little better. Anyway, we're going to get some food and we're going to walk around, check out some of these cars. Let's go. I like this interior. It looks pretty cool.
Hey, good. So we bought a house on the lake. Yeah, it's paid for. Everything on is paid for.
I think this Jeep was at the Flock Shop car show. What do you think of this bus?
Get one of these and then kids, I gotta find somewhere else to go. Just travel around.
The cooler is just like the one I used to have, like the size and everything.
Never seen a Coke bottle.
Neither have I. You'd never make it through a metal detector with that hat.
How about Monte Carlo?
Oh, did you? Oh.
It was in the driveway or in the parking lot. Yeah, the same.
Yeah, 69 Camaro.
Boom.
I like it. I don't know. What did you go by looking at? About what it costs. Is that right?
Coming in with 3 or 4 kids, you need to be able to.
I think he got best paint at Swafford. It's fully Rhino line. To the fender skirts. I'm definitely a little shorter than this one. Hmm? What? Was that sitting there the whole time?
Yeah. It's 92.
Package tray's cool. I want one.
I just have to Facebook.
Mid-South grading and hauling.
Yeah, just
Galaxy 500. Hmm. Oh.
Maybe not yours. I want the bigger ring on the stuff. Tires on this one. I think it changed my no, my
Chance it like this one. This rooftop. Can you see that, or I got to pick you up?
Lining.
We're gonna pick you up. Would that be embarrassing? What's that? That's just an insulation type stuff. You see that on my earlier air conditioning stuff? There's Daniel's car.
What'd you say, buddy?
Chris.
Came complete with chairs, huh?
Oh yeah. I mean, good seeing you.
Yeah, you too.
I tried to save you a spot. That's what I'm trying to find one. I'll tell you.
New Corvette is 86,000. It's the same mileage as the BMW. I gotta start remembering to bring the mini Ednas with me. Don't know. I've never seen that before.
That's what they are. They work down.
It doesn't say it in here. Number 3. I love a good Lincoln Continental. It's like, no, turn it down. Copyrighted for Christian music. The cow interior in that one. All right, we're gonna get some food, and then we're gonna carry on. We got plenty to see. So far, we seem to be the only F1 here. Where are they?
Bring me to life, and I'm crying out, Lord, I need you now to come to me. And why is this life so hard? And why do you seem so far? But if this cup of burns, help me to stay steadfast, that your will be done. You get the glory from this. You get the glory from this. No matter what, go through this world as long as you get the glory from this.
Guys, just one more reminder about food to my left. We have 2 hot dog plates with chips and beans and drink of choice to my left. Also, we have a water station right in front that you can get 1 water for $1 only. If you are thirsty, if you are hungry, we have exactly what you need. Come up front to my left. We thank you for enjoying this day with us right here at His Vinyard.
This is my story to tell. That no matter what I've gone through, I've been trying to get my time. So let your will be done. You get the glory from there. You get the glory from there. No matter what happens, go through this world, as long as you get the glory from there. You get the glory
Well, what makes it an executive?
Because it's got the awning on the back, but it still leaves where watching it there yet.
Between the awning and the roof.
That's a little better.
Please get the glory from this. No matter what I have to go through in this world, as long as you get the glory from this.
Air One, worship now.
Same situation as
You see the wicker rack?
Emily gets on it, and all the other she has, she was 3.
All right, we got a shoebox. Can't help but feel that Edna needs a shoebox friend.
Papa might be coming up here.
Papa might on the roof because it's a two-door sedan. Where's he going if he's up here?
They're assuming if they leave within the next hour, they'll be here about 7.
And refocus with worship. Air 1, worship now. God, please protect my daughter at college.
Cadillac Fleetwood.
She was gonna take off yesterday, saying she's gonna run one this night. It's Memorial Day weekend, bike week, graduation week.
Is this the one we always see?
You know,
Wait, no, never mind. I've got it confused with that Malibu.
And we have food here today. Miss Mary Claire Connor and Miss JoJo Ward. Shout out, clap, Mary Claire and JoJo.
He's got one. Well, it shouldn't be too far.
Like something that I co-wrote with God, which is the coolest feeling. And it just shifted my perspective about how quick He is to love. He said, before again, just give me so much hope.
Discover new worship. Josh Baldwin, thank you, Jesus.
I don't know. I feel like I would have remembered the poison ivy thing.
I love seeing it.
You took my place and curse. God forbid.
Look, both sides fold down. 0 to 60 in 12 minutes.
Y'all look up the buses, so never mind. Never mind, I love you.
plenty of those hide. That's a hide.
Typically see blue tires.
Hmm?
Typically see blue tires.
See the wicker shelf and the.
Yeah, on the views.
She's coming next weekend. No, she's flying out. My other sister's here who lives here, bringing her with her. Get another one.
Boss 429.
I just know enough about him to where we won't ever cut my board. How about that?
Hmm? What'd you say? A foldable what?
Foldable seats in the back.
Oh. Yeah, all the fastbacks have those.
Oh, yeah.
That was 70, yes, and 1970. That area back. 70 Chevelles are very bad.
This Cadillac's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Bad apple.
Got several. Because I got several only because.
Yeah, you go ahead and take one. That's our race schedule for this year.
Okay. I don't know. I follow them on Facebook. In Bantam. There's definitely a lot of cars here. I don't think I've ever seen a judge that wasn't orange.
Oh yeah.
67 Camaro. Never heard of a 369. I'm curious. Maybe that's what it was stroked out to or something.
Какой красивый голубой краб.
You think my seats get hot? Hmm. Which one? That one? That's pretty cool. Carmen Gia. I like these little vents on the Volkswagens. I don't know if that specifies a certain era or what. But that means I don't have the oldest Ford pickup here.
Это простая очень Honda, я не знаю, что она здесь, это, наверное.
Hmm. Mm.
Is that how old, not done, liberal peers?
Typhoon. It's kind of a cool looking modern take on the original wheel. Here we go, another Continental. So, doors look like they were red faded to pink. '62. Papa J. Grumpy's toy.
That was 26,000. I looked it up. I said I wish I would have bought that one from Burgess.
Torino. You really don't see very many Torinos. You said the awards were starting in 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Wonder if they're trying to wrap up early because of the rain.
Another one of these. Yeah, yeah, these both are that's pretty well known for being.
Right when I said that, those people started laughing. I was like, wasn't that funny? Lowered Super Cab. Sorry. Look at the interior in this one. Which Beetle has ranked your favorite so far?
We've seen all of them.
Well, there's one more over there behind us.
Doing that thing
Pretty nice Cadillac here. This guy's all by himself. Oh, he's not entered. Mm-hmm. Stinger exhaust.
So we can't walk.
That's what I'm about to do.
Just a cover a cap.
Too thick. All right, so we had a lot of fun. checking out all the cars. We walked around. I'm pretty sure we got everybody. Really like some of those old Lincolns that were here. It was great finally getting to see a shoebox up close because I definitely want to make one friends with Edna. Congratulations to all the winners. We had a great time out here at His Vineyard. Hopefully they reached their goals as far as the donations made for the youth programs here. Anyway, thanks for watching. We had a great time. Had a great time talking to you some guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.